Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about the benefits of doing a renovation loan. So a lot of my clients have called me and said, hey, I need money. I need to pay my contractor, or I need to do this and I need to do that. Well, I want a new kitchen and I want a new bathroom, but I'm not sure where the money is going to come from. And my contractor's interest rate or financing is way too high. So the solution to that will be to do a renovation loan where we actually come in and give you the money for the renovations. Now, basically, we have to make sure that the contractor is licensed and insured and bonded. There's a few restrictions on what type of improvements we can do, but for the most part, we can definitely do bathrooms, we can definitely do kitchens, we can definitely do a pool. We can, as long as it enhances the property, we can actually do it. So if you would like more information on this type of loan, feel free to reach out to me at 301-945-8300, or you can reply in the comments below and say renovate, or you can actually go online and get approved or start the qualification process right away at approvememarcus.com. Well, if you like what you heard, or if you know anybody that's looking to do renovations on their home, please like, share, and follow this video. And if you need any more information, of course, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day.